If you are using one of these GoHighLevel templates, which I'm pretty sure most of the agency are right now, and I'm going to explain why you shouldn't use these kinds of website inside your agency, which is boring, outdated, and it doesn't convert clients at all. And I'm going to show you how to build an awesome and high converting website just like this. Yes, this website is indeed built inside the GoHighLevel website builder, and the frequently asked question regarding my website in my comment section or in my Instagram is, how do I put these kinds of animations like rolling text effect, the rolling logo effect, the pricing toggle effect? People think there is some kind of switch inside the GoHighLevel website builder that you can click and drag to put these images and animations and effects. No, you can't. It's a custom CSS code. You can't find this within the GoHighLevel website builder. If you want to build these kinds of high-end luxury website and start charging your clients higher price, watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how to build these kinds of custom animations and effects with the help of custom CSS codes.
Now we are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, to explain to you how to implement this text effect, I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna start building from the scratch. Click on this plus button and add this custom CSS field, and in this place we are gonna implement the code from our GHL code snippets. If you already have it, that's great. If you don't, click the link in the description and get it. And when you go inside the dynamic effect, you'll be having lots of different effects, but we are getting this dynamic scrolling text effect. Copy this code, go into the website builder, paste it, and save it. It's that simple. And if you want to arrange this text like close to make the classy look, what you have to do is click on this and play around with the padding. Same goes for the text on the below. Go there. That's the sweet spot. That you have it. It's that simple. If you use the code snippet, if you want to make it by yourself, it's gonna be a big headache. As you can see, it's a big code, and how you can change the text inside is this area, which is inside the span and slash span. You don't have to change anything else other than this. And if you want to change the colors inside, which is the gradient, which starts from blue and ends at pinkish red tone, what you can do is, instead of service based, you can just write, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna change the text just to show that it's working properly. Save. There you go. And if you want to change the color inside, you can do that as well. For the sake of this video, I'm going to make this gradient blue, white, and black. If you want to access all the code tools I'm using, you can also have it for free, which is linked in the description, the starter kit. Go inside, change the color, bam, we got the blue. Up next we're gonna get the white, bam, and in the end we're gonna get the black. I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's see. It kind of looks bad. Let's change the color between the blue and black. Let's go with something dark. Maybe this. I'm sure that it's gonna look something horrendous. It's just for the sake of this. It looks weird, but I'm just showing you what can you do within this code. You don't have to change anything else other than the text, which is inside the spans, and the colors, which is inside the background and linear gradient. And you just have to save it and you're done. You're good to go. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna delete this rolling image effect, and I'm gonna input this with the code which is inside the GoHighLevel code snippets. When you go into dynamic effects, you can find that code underneath the continuous scrolling effect, just copy the code, go inside the GoHighLevel website builder, and find a place where you want to put this. For me, I'm gonna put this here. Click the plus icon, get the code, open code editor, and copy it and save it. As you can see, at the moment the code is running properly, but there is no image inside. We have to put all the images from the storage which is inside the GoHighLevel image storage. Let me show you how you can access it. When you click on this image icon, it shows all the images you have stored inside the website builder. When you upload your image to put it inside the website, as you can see, I've already have all the images, Google, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the images already inside. So I'm going to give you a small gift. I'm going to put all this image inside a drive, and I'll leave the link inside the GoHighLevel code below the description. If you want to put your own images inside the code, what you can do is you can go inside Canva. As you can see, I've made those images inside Canva. That's because if you are making images which is different from other images in dimension, it's not going to look good. So what you can do is copy and paste the page and make the images, make the graphics inside each images like you are seeing inside Canva, and you can download it and you can upload it inside the media storage which is built inside the GoHighLevel website builder. So after uploading all the images inside, what you can do is get the link, click on the section, open the code editor, scroll down. As you can see, your image link, that's image number 1. So you shouldn't change anything else inside this code. Just paste your link within the double quotes like this, and do the same, which is going to duplicate the image with the smooth rolling effect without any interruption. Do the same on this. Paste. So you're gonna do this same to all the other link. As you can see, I've marked everything inside: image 2, image 3, image 4, the same image 3, image 2, so that you won't get confused. And let's see what happens after save. As you can see, the Google image has been saved and it's running properly. It's on a loop. So now I'm gonna do this to all the other image and I'll get back. As you can see, after putting all the links within the code, it's running properly over here. It may look like too much, but you can do it in 5 minutes. It's not a big deal. And you can obviously get all the images below the code. I'll link it below the description.
And this is how you can build high-end website and start charging your clients higher prices. You can find the CSS code link in the description. And if you don't want to spend too much time building your agency website, you can also find this website link in the description. Have fun, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.